Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to insert a SIM card in the HUAWEI Mate XS2. But before we start inserting the SIM card, let's take a look at the SIM card. And what you see here is a so-called nano SIM card. It's the smallest SIM card that you can buy at this moment, and it can be that you have a slightly bigger model, then you have a micro SIM card or a standard SIM card. But to use it in your HUAWEI Mate XS2, you will need a nano SIM card. If you don't have a nano SIM card, just call your provider and they will send you a new one. So let's take a look where we must insert the SIM card. And it's here at the bottom left. So you can see here is a tray, and beside this tray is a little hole. And we must put something in this hole. And just take care, because on the right side you also have this hole, but you don't have a tray. So don't put anything in here, because this is a microphone. But you must put in something in here, in this hole, just right beside this tray. And what do you put in there? Well, you must take your box from your HUAWEI Mate XS2, and here you will find a so-called SIM card ejector tool. It's nothing more than a metal needle, and you can put this needle right in this hole. But if you don't find your box, or if you are a little bit lazy, then you can also use the good old paper clip. And I have here a standard paper clip, and I will just use this one, and I will put this paper clip in this hole and press a little bit, and then you will see it opens very easily. And here you can see there are different options. You have here SIM 1, and you have here the nano memory card slot. So I will put my SIM card here, and you can see here is a special corner, and this special corner is also on this side, so there is no chance that you can do something wrong when putting in there. And then just put the whole thing back again, press, and then just wait a few seconds, and there you see, bam, enter SIM pin. So my pin is the 0000, and then I'm ready to go. So you can see here at the top left corner that everything's fine. I have full signal now, so I can go outside now, chat with my friends, and go in the internet with my SIM card. Yes, I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.